Hi, welcome to the tutorial for visual effects pulls in Cortex. I'm Ian, and today I'm going to walk you through a visual effects clips pull using our traceback function in Cortex. Visual effects pulls can be completed in any Cortex project where the corresponding clips have been imported into one or more jobs. All that is needed is an EDL from the editorial team for the source clips that are requested. We'll start by creating a deliverable in a workflow called VFX Pull. In this case, we'll make a DPX deliverable. However, the file type may vary according to the request of the visual effects house or artist. Be sure to select Clip Name for the output file name so that the clips can be renamed properly. Once you've created a deliverable, go ahead and make a new job. After our job is open, select the render tool and import the EDL by selecting Import CMX3600 EDL, and then browse to its location. Once imported, the master clips bin will be populated with the clips metadata found in the EDL. Select the option to use EDL comment as clip name because you'll need to rename the clips as they are labeled in the EDL. At the bottom, click Create Clips in order to bring the EDL events into our traceback tool. The next step determines where the tracing function will search in order to find the corresponding clips found in the Cortex database. You can trace media found in the current project, in a different project, a Cortex manifest generated by a third party, or a storage location attached to your workstation. You can also narrow your search by selecting an episode or broaden it to all episodes. Narrowing the search criteria will reduce the time required to return the result. Though generally not recommended for visual effects pulls, you can modify the clips by applying dailies color, the audio sync, the dailies slate information, or use the in and out marks set in the dailies session. Go ahead and click Trace. Once the clips are found, hit OK, and the clips will populate in the master clips bin. Keep in mind that if you select to trace a third-party Cortex manifest, an additional step of relinking media is going to be required by right-clicking on a clip and selecting the relink option. Now, rename the clip by right-clicking on it and selecting Edit Name from the context menu. You can also provide handles by selecting the clips, right-clicking, and choosing Add Handles. Cortex defaults to 8 frames, but you can change this option as required. If the source file is a file per frame sequence, like an ARRI RAW file, you can avoid making new media by right-clicking and choosing Copy from the context menu. This will use the original media to copy with the determined handles. If the media is wrapped, such as Red or ProRes clips, you can create a new reel, name it, select the type of timecode, and select your deliverable. Once all of your clips are added to the reel, close it and wait for the render to finish. Upon completion, you can right-click on the finished render and browse to the containing folder for a quick way to copy or move the VFX media to a new location. For more Cortex tutorials, visit tutorials.mtifilm.com. For Cortex support, to submit a help ticket, or to find other useful information about Cortex, please check out forum.mtifilm.com.